Giuseppe, cosa fai?
I'm making holes
Let me see.
for the posts that will be for the bathroom.
Go, stop!
Yeah,
It's
the
very deep.
This is about 70 centimeters deep here, which is good. The other one, look how short it is compared to the other. Here, I have to go more.
Epa! You're
This one
very strong.
This one is softer because the ground is wet.
Mamma mia.
This one's about good. It's enough. Now we need to do the other two holes. And we're done. Hit a rock. But this one's deep enough anyway. We can just go in by hand and remove some of the rocks.
Epa.
Okay, it's enough.
Perfetto.
See,
Vediamo come continuano i lavori.
the braccio then we put here inside.
Let's go.
You want to see?
Sì.
Let's go.
Let me see.
Here. We just received it yesterday. So we can continue to work. We have a beautiful shipment
Ooh.
of braccio. Gravel, big rocks. Not big, but big gravel.
Uh-huh.
And that's going to go in the bottom of each hole to create drainage for the wood so the wood doesn't rot quickly. And then we'll put a nice layer underneath the structure also for drainage and for aesthetics.
Nice.
Yep.
Step by step.
To keep the weeds from growing all around the structure. We'll put down a tarp and then rocks, and then we'll have a nice outdoor bathroom. It's a process. It's gonna take like a week.
Keep in touch. Ciao. In the nature. Wow, amazing.